My name's Martin. This is my diesel Morris Marina, which is supercharged. The engine is a BMC 1800 diesel, primarily from a Sherpa van, and the supercharger is a Mercedes Eaton M45 Nord or 2 litre Mercedes compressor. The initial diesel conversion was a couple of days' work, and I have no idea how many hours I spent on the supercharger conversion, because it was just little bits here and there on a dummy engine, and kind of put it all in one weekend, fitted it all to the car. Because it was terribly slow as a diesel, and it was trying to see if we could get some more power out of it without screwing the fuel economy too much. I've had it since 2021, I think, thereabouts. It came to me as basically a bare shell. It had been completely robbed from Morris Minor of all its mechanicals. Axle, brakes, everything. And then I proceeded to take a few good parts off of it to repair another one of my Marinas. And because I originally bought it as a parts car, Mr. Khan decided to come up with the ULEZ, and I live literally right on the edge of it. And I had the diesel engine already kicking around in the workshop from leftover from a previous project. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to stick it in there, put a load of the other random bits that I've got kicking around in my spares here, and build up a rough car that I can smoke around in the ULEZ and Khan. Yeah, it kind of then sort of went a bit out of hand, and ended up painting it and doing various bits and seals, arches, rear corners, front wings. I mean, about that much of the front wing I've made up from scratch. Headlight panels, floors, rear inner arches, scuttle all around the windscreen corners. There's actually a load of it on the Facebook page, all the pictures and that. You can have a look, there's pages. It's not very straight, not very neat. It's functional. It was literally designed to be a functional car that I could use and have a laugh. The lovely interior came about as a joke. Someone said to me, you've got to get some tiger skin seat covers or something for it, which I did for the front, and then looking for some material for the back, ended up buying some on eBay, which turned out to be fleece when it arrived. As you do when you buy stuff online, it's never quite what you think it's going to be when it turns up. And the door capping on this side was all worn away, and the missus suggested that I covered them with the tiger skin to match, so I did, and it kind of sort of evolved from there, really. It's certainly different, isn't it? It's a Peugeot 405 one, I think. It was something that was kicking around in a pile of bits. Offered it up and thought, yeah, that'll work. Obviously it has a tow bar because it gets used for towing stuff.